Truthfulness is often described as a virtue. But in the modern world, it has become something more urgent than that. It has become a necessity for human survival. We live in a time of constant communication, yet genuine trust is becoming fragile. Human beings are surrounded by information, opinions, images, slogans, and endless public performance. But many people no longer know what is real, what is sincere, or who can truly be trusted. In such a world, truthfulness is no longer a small personal quality. It becomes the foundation of every healthy relationship, every stable society, and every lasting civilization. Without truthfulness, promises lose meaning. Institutions lose credibility. Friendships weaken, families suffer, and public life slowly fills with suspicion, confusion, and division. Truthfulness does not mean harshness. It does not mean speaking without kindness. And it does not mean claiming moral perfection. True truthfulness requires humility. It asks human beings to examine themselves honestly, to admit mistakes, to resist hypocrisy, and to bring words and actions into harmony. Modern culture often rewards appearance more than character, speed more than wisdom, attention more than sincerity. People learn how to present themselves, how to influence perception, how to construct an image. Yet beneath all of this, many souls are quietly exhausted by artificiality. Human beings long for something real. A truthful person brings relief into the world, because truthfulness creates trust. And trust allows human beings to cooperate, to heal, and to live without constant fear of deception. Without truthfulness, promises lose meaning. Institutions lose credibility. Friendships weaken, families suffer, and no amount of wealth, technology, or power can replace integrity. Truthfulness begins in ordinary human life, in conversations, in agreements, in daily work, in private conduct when nobody is watching. Truthfulness means that speech reflects conscience, that actions reflect principles, and that trust is deserved rather than demanded. Perhaps this is why truthfulness has been called the foundation of all human virtues, because where truthfulness exists, justice becomes possible, friendship becomes deeper, service becomes sincere, and human dignity is protected. In the end, truthfulness is not only about avoiding lies. It is about becoming a human being whose presence brings clarity rather than confusion, trust rather than fear, and honesty rather than manipulation. And in an age overwhelmed by noise, performance, and division, that kind of character may become one of the greatest forms of service to humanity.